Ito yung all-time favorite na cake ko from Goldilocks and it's called Crema de Fruta. Actually, first time ko lang siya ginawa nung nag-celebrate ako ng birthday ko last March 23. So simulan natin sa paggawa ng chiffon cake. Mix 6 egg whites until frothy, then add half cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix on medium to medium high speed until ma-achieve natin yung stiff peak sa ating meringue. In a separate bowl with 6 egg yolks, add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, half cup of canola or vegetable oil, and 1 cup of cake flour. Mix until well combined and pale yellow na yung color ng mixture. Pag okay na, add 1/3 of the meringue sa ating egg yolk mixture, then gently fold the meringue until there's no more streak of egg whites. Add another 1/3, then fold. Add the remaining meringue, then fold until smooth na yung ating cake batter. Then transfer na natin sa baking pan of your choice, pwedeng square, rectangular, or even heart-shaped pan. Just make sure lang na may parchment paper sa ilalim. But I'm using an 8x4 round baking pan. Yung baking time would depend sa dami or kapal ng cake batter na isasalin nyo sa pan. Pero yung ginamit ko na 8x4, na-bake ko siya for 50 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Habang inaantay nating maluto yung chiffon, gawin muna natin yung custard. In a saucepan, combine 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, and a splash of vanilla. Turn on the heat on low, then stir continuously until maging thick yung consistency ng custard. Pag malapot na, turn off the heat, then add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, then mix. Transfer it into a bowl, then cover with cling wrap. Just make sure na nakadikit yung cling wrap sa custard para di mag-form ng crust or skin yung custard habang pinapalamig. After 50 minutes, remove the chiffon cake from the oven, then immediately transfer it into a cooling rack. And kailangan baliktarin natin yung pan para di mag-collapse yung chiffon habang pinapalamig. Pag malamig na yung chiffon, baliktarin lang natin ulit, then using a knife, scrape the side para madali nating ma-release yung cake. I'm using a cake leveler para even yung kapal ng layers ng chiffon. Sa recipe na to, you can actually make 4 layers na mas manipis yung each layer ng chiffon or 2 cakes na take 2 layers lang. Now prepare naman natin yung gelatin. Mag-add lang ng konting water sa 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin para lang ma-hydrate and mag-bloom yung ating gelatin and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Pag malamig na yung custard, mix lang natin using a hand mixer, then add about 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Pwede rin naman ng all-purpose cream, pero add nyo lang ng paunti-unti para di maging masyadong runny yung consistency ng custard. Mix until ma-achieve natin yung desired consistency para sa ating custard. Now back to our gelatin. Microwave ko lang siya for about 30 seconds tapos hinalo ko na sa juice na galing sa isang lata ng fruit cocktail. And it's time to assemble our crema de fruta. Now since sa round pan ko siya binake, ginamitan ko siya ng cake collar para ma-secure at malinis tingnan yung ating cake. Actually, mas okay siya ilagay sa mga microwavable na plastic container or tub if plan nyo siya ibenta. I-layer nyo lang siya ng chiffon, custard, then fruit cocktail. Pero pag nasa top layer na, instead na fruit cocktail, sliced peaches na lang yung ilagay, then maraschino cherries. Then last na natin ibubuhos yung juice na nilagyan natin ng gelatin. Since mababa yung ginamit ko na cake collar, naglagay lang ako ng additional sa ibabaw para pag binuhos ko yung gelatin is hindi siya matatapon. Carefully pour in the juice on top. Kailangan fully covered yung peaches with gelatin mixture. Then lagay lang natin sa ref for about 3 to 4 hours or until maging fully set yung gelatin bago natin iserve.